pointillism. Everybody read.
Pointillism.
Okay, class, let's read what is the definition of pointillism. Everybody read.
Is a painting technique where small, distinct dots of colors are applied in patterns to form an image. It emerged in the late 19th century as a response to Impressionism. Artists like George Seurat and Paul Signac were key. It's significant for its scientific approach to color theory and its influence on modern art movements.
Okay, very good. Now, this is an example of pointillism. Please observe that these are the pointillism in black and white. And this is the pointillism in colored pen used. Okay, based on example, class, what did you observe about the pointillism in black and white and the pointillism in colored pen?
Teacher, black
Yes,
and white.
Sir Rob?
Yes, teacher, we are using a one color. Then a colored pen, we are using lots of or different kinds of color.
Okay, very good, Harold. I will give you 15 points. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's proceed. Class, for your activity, I would like you to choose one image and use the pointillism black and white, the first image, and the pointillism colored using colored pen. Okay? Okay, here's your paper and your colored pen. You may start now. Okay, do you remember what I say? That you will use the tiny dot in your art and be patient so that you can reach the good art.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, smaller dots and bigger dots, dot. Keep on adding more. Lots and lots and lots. And when you see them all, you will understand that you can be an artist, dot. Oh, yes, you can. You can be an artist, dot. Oh, yes, you can. Dots in pink and yellow, red, purple, green, and blue.
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, let me see. Wow, very good. I will give you a 100 points of this art.
Thank
Teacher,
you,
I am the teacher.
Okay, very nice. Wow, I will give you also a perfect score.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, again, class, what is a pointillism?
Pointillism is a painting technique where small, distinct dots of color are applied in patterns to form an image. It emerged in the late 19th century as a response to Expressionism. Artists like George Seurat and Paul Signac were key. It's significant for its scientific approach to color theory and its influence on modern art movements.
Okay, again, what are the two types of pointillism?
Teacher,
Yes, Kali?
pointillism black and white, teacher.
Okay, very good. And what else? Aaron?
Teacher, pointillism colored pen.
Okay, very good. I will give you perfect score.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Goodbye, class.